Observe encheye it's been over a week and audio be about a serious allegation me kra no emu bi on ma de ma no ka kra na ase be ferry nyame no credit bi on ma de ma no ka say ye say Reverend Obofour wakwawi ni panam wakono momoja woni we da woni enti bi on ma o ka ana mu ye odru about the allegation was being made by Andy ne a very few other people, but at the end of the day, one and the voice woman can say, Nipa no mashi or mobon como audio no na ye Andy, or friend no Reverend Obofour ba Andy or your sofo. Manasseh so a sofo. And Dominic so a evangelist or so a sofo. And a year Mame Agrada, I see a friend evangelist who drew granting. And according to Dominic, there was another person there, Agrada and Krenibia. Agrada and Krenibia. And an omogonoma on Mubon Como. It is a Nipan and Andy, Manasseh, Dominic, Agrada, and also there was another person, Agrada and Manibia, other like boys no more ye Jumanibia. Na utie audio no ma emunsem ena makeka kire wo no amu odurie na yimunchechire mu no we de be chia ndi ye nchia ndi we de andi fahin andi die na esi abusafo ye ba be bonkomo because Andy say ya che no ye nchie no say Andy wo he ya report na ma police ana ye be gimu nchire mu kakra na ya koyenim Andy say ya hwe obeku ne ho ono no say first no kwakopi information but yes and one shada or the chopa aba Dominic so person say onim wo hwe oyi ne ho afim ebi mposi audio no efiri Mame Agrada camp Mame Agrada na de Manasseh eno likiye ebi se Manasseh na record ye no emunsem no etisen mo me call ne Kwaku Boaten enkomo we dey kaka kyerem on ye the personal aid to Reverend Obofour Kwaku Antwaje yi ayi ne nim say we APC leader and founder abuzafo hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Kwaku.
Yes, sir.
Kwaku Boaten am nene kasa.
Wadaroma Kwaku Boaten.
All right. Me also now the personal assistant to Reverend Obofour.
The special aid to Reverend Obofour.
The special aid to Reverend Obofour.
Yes, sir.
With your friend Rashad, me kwa baba GHPAGE TV so.
That's
na de frɛ wa yɛ nkra ne bɔne yes ye from in what twetwe nkomo afa ye Reverend Obofour ene nsɛm mienu bi a akoso a ye pe explanation kakra free ho menim so benya break kakra ma ye bonkomo a
Wadaroma me charity for child viewers worldwide on all your channels, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram.
All right, yeah, that's it. Mr. Boaten, yen koso straight say Reverend Obofour or Ghana.
Wadaroma pacho Ghana.
Okay, yet say yes, we need free Ghana for one or two reasons be. And no one to say.
But you want to specify a reason why you come to a free Ghana? Yeah,
time audio be about bontain.
Okay.
Yeah, utie audio na nipa ewom Manasseh Andy friend ho Obofour ba Andy Dominic evangelist Dominic suwum ena ye Mame Nana Agrada as say your friend no evangelist Patricia Oduro Kranti o me wo audio nim na audio no a lot of allegations are na ekoso na no den
yeah
and the dodo mo no nipa ne voice wom kesepa no obi aka bi but nipa ne voice wom kesepa no ye Andy Andy enim se one Reverend Obofour aye adwuma pen bi no so da so ne ye adwuma de a wode na ye adwuma pen ana o ye junior pastor ho o make a lot of allegation on your Obofour agina onipa ewo na asore ho o mutimi call Vienna ekofa ma bi ne ho niema audio ne ba bonten no ye tese se Obofour enu nti wadwane free Ghana no kra bi wo
Rashad assessem and na nipa ka asem munim asem omoka Rashad masem we bisa ho se den ba ya release audio no bisa ho se da ben record the audio no why now Rashad my friend say for some time now there was this scuffle between one or Konfu baby as you see also a renowned we are yet to see that any Reverend Kwaku, popularly known as Reverend Obofour then I go fast some winning about yes, you could 17-year-old boy, 18-year-old boy. I'm some Kojisika Drew.
Yeah.
And I'm some charlatanic advert be with TV be so.
Yes.
And Reverend A2 collab for say, she can do ni viase. She can do viase and keska fona le benyo madie. Cause can you onyeska obieden factory so that obi abetima kwa ye adwuma ho no de onyeska. It is said that utrim say she can do baby dia enya no kre. The bandits they are all false. Obi se pui on tiase aden also kokembi. You are the last person I may expect to say obekasa same way. Wow. Freedom of association. Now, one particular person per se or dini menina. No to me so typical bibiana. No, that is not it. And I'll start to say, oh, the diacha. Owi nipa nam, ukunipa, unum nipa moja. I said, but only maybe a 20 panam ukruma.
Oh, Debbie.
But only maybe a 20 pamoja.
Debbie, that.
Unum says, answer me, okay, so it's ya or mine emra. I won't go for 2 sets of 4 per month, so 4 per month, so 4 per month. But okay, same be a year very damning. The criminal conduct code of the country ending to more. The only place I don't call local police. And I'm Pachameboa. Yes. It's one I won't call national headquarters. Echo complain. And a police for free. The other parties involved. Rashad, say Reverend Obofour again. See, I mean, no, say Reverend Obofour Owofier. We money pay as or yeah video chair, Mama Mumu say or Ghana.
Or your Facebook live video, be say
Facebook live video. I'm a wow name the fear beyond who say we a Reverend Obofour fear. See, Rashad, and say me over a bushimka. And the corner of Noncophobia not to a kakaka no mundi omeka. And I'm sure Crawford chase someone can say one. Okay.
Honor that's say what clarify no now. Mr. Watson, you ever say you busa efa we say home. What do you know about one say no? Nipa the voice room pa America Andy.
Yeah.
And the voice room.
Yeah.
Andy, when I Reverend Obofour, a check a ben a woman Tim.
Hey Rashad, Andy. The last time coming from so real quick no. Only judge my crimes over 9 years. The records are there. Yes. The records are there.
Now, are we a friends, Anna?
Oh, sorry, friends, Rashad. Obi so for Ketwadi.
There's no way say on your friends.
No. Only the judge my. What could try to go Ebenezer upon what I call Yadom 2015, which was about 6 years ago.
Yeah.
Obepan chow somehow. But you see, Rashad, the same thing what can I say of the nation's interest. He doesn't take control over police. Police take control over the constitution of the country. And when you go contrary to the constitution of the country, yeah, it is the constitution of the country should be able to their council.
Andy Bettana GHPAGE Studios, you know, bon come. Okay. Catch and say, the entire money cancer and say, now we're free Reverend Obofour camp. That is how we said, say we're free Reverend Obofour camp. At the call Agra that camp. Say, occupy information. Abba. Me passion one of Musman.
Passion there be. Not because we have occupy information, they are brain wine. When the contract say, no. Comfort gather a comfort. Reverend Obofour yourself for. Black and white do not match. What the other black see on a white stain will want who a chamber room. What the other black see on a white stain will want. So black and white do not match. It's not so much information, bang. We don't need any information about anybody. He's a reverend minister or you're now sorry. I also saw your comfort and I saw yes so you're in a Juma.
But audio no about Montano. What taking legal action be on it?
It is before the police.
So Andy has been invited, and
for that, Rashad, I'll be very kind if you would go to the National Police Headquarters, the Homicide Department.
Okay.
Yes, it is before them, so we don't supersede to it. Whether they've invited him or not, we can't ascertain or tell.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now Obisoba Jane said, I don't man see you for defamation rather by reporting to the police.
Defamation is of civil rights,
yes,
which will be done in a civil court. If the issue is of civil intent, but if the issue is of criminal intent, you would have to what? Report it to the police. Then the police will take the matter up, conduct a thorough investigation into it.
And this was the Achopa Abba say opa Reverend Kokwenchwe say kaso kasa nyina wan kasa yi. Will you still pursue the criminal issue?
Rashad, you and I would believe, sir, and I would know, sir, criminal issue is for the police to take decision on it. Now the case is before the police. Reverend Kokwenchwe has no control over it. It is for the police to finish with their investigations and know, say, the okay no cray. Now we can't throw.
Only say Aῂgry police, I think that this is about. There are several instances, among for a Kasatia, a Reverend Minister now, at Aῂgry police station. You say Obiko file Lubo Simbi by a police station. Back also appear biblical. Also, Becky can Simbi. Emerson could trap police station. I don't know, say, I think so, court to cry.
I can confirm it with you for you with authority. Say, court in there.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Because it's of time. We let every Ghanaian know. Say, every Ghanaian has rights. And yes, the mere fact say, medium, be say Facebook, YouTube, show you what. Trump on anybody now can't send me out paper without facts, without anything. No, that is not how the country should be governed. This is not how our forefathers founded Ghana for us.
The entire mammy busa sane money in an air. I'm for a tie cassette papa, no man can send me any much at so. A could police phone him, but you won't say the punishment be more. Don't you think, sir, it's a mamma for a give people the authority to continue to mess up? Because you could see.
Okay, because Asem could do court, you can't discuss it in public domain. Okay. Because when you discuss it in public domain, you could be cited for contempt. Because on your judge, I will tell them so. It's in a libo de okay, man cabino. Because the case is before a court of competence jurisdiction.
So it's still in court.
Yes.
Now, appear biblical social allegations and also courts.
It is before a court of competent jurisdiction. We pray that the judgment will be given in our favor. Okay. But pursuant to that, we can't discuss it.
Okay. Okay. Yes. It's issue is so hopefully no ABN court. We don't know how it will end because it's with the police.
For we are petition to the Director General CID say after thorough investigation, prosecution should be done so that at least we would be vindicated. It is only the Constitution that has the right to vindicate us. And how would we be vindicated? Through a court of competence jurisdiction.
Mr. Bottin, I didn't see Reverend Obofour amount for time making particular allegations against him. I saw for Ghana, but it seems that I said to do any study or something. But I say, Kakrabia, murder case start on so. Why do you think people at targeting or say they always want to disgrace him? Why do you think it happens like that?
Rashad, let us break it down through this path. Last year, a Libo compound case. Your grandson Nipa Bakubeo no. The first place of call the Kutu powder goodness was on one particular television network by name Tender TV. The records are there.
Yeah.
One guy by name Malupe Elijah or Elisha. I start to be corrected.
I got I think Sunyani. Yes.
Ononsu Unya Bill is a who said which TV station first interviewed him.
Tender TV.
It was Tender TV. Appear formal, alias appear biblical.
Yeah.
Reverend Kokwenchwe Kunipa, Wakwakoto dead body. Where did it happen? The house of one particular person, Tender TV.
Hold on, so making allegations.
Yes. Also for Andy. one confuba. Where did the allegation go on? Tender television. So Ghanaians should ask themselves, say, why always tender TV?
I think you feel that there is this agenda from tender TV to it's an answer or the allegation to Papa Nina if we for Koneba. Tender
TV. One circle, it ends up with just one person. Tender TV, tender TV, tender TV.
So instead of any allegation coming from just anybody, but you believe that there is an agenda.
Well sat down, orchestrated agenda to what? Tarnish somebody's image. But say because but you're sure, so almost set your agenda. They didn't know, said they were going to go contrary to the constitution of the country. Had it been they knew, they would have gone the other way around. But because no money, you see, laymen sits down to draw an agenda without knowing the consequences behind it.
Mr. Watson, where do we go from here?
From here, in which of the cases?
No, and the issue now.
From here, the case is before police. We believe that the police will do their thorough investigations, prosecution will be done, judgment will be given in our favor.
Okay.
Yes, because we can hit our hands on our chest and boast of our innocence.
Okay. Mr. Watson, Yaka and the one kakra, which we talk about something small as well.
Okay.
But just say, tell me a little issue nearby, you know.
Yeah.
I think that it came at the time when I net to a expose.
Yeah.
Emma a year kwaku nine and some kitten be by, but I'm saying or Abegia to me say a year Reverend Obofour, the outfit of Reverend Obofour, I employ unknown company.
Yeah.
Say Omunya investigation were legal compound man. Did you ever employ a company, investigative company? Some investigation, mom.
A little issue, no, it was before court.
Okay.
And my lady gave an order saying, she doesn't want her court issue be discussed on any social media platform.
No, this one we don't want to talk about the issue. Yeah, per se, hono. Kokwana beka say more employing. We just want a clarification. Say more employing and pa.
This is between Kokwana and Reverend Kokwencheje. We believe even if we had employed him, the job was done, or a job was done. You get it?
Okay.
We don't believe to discuss it on social media.
Okay, but on the cannibal one thing say more employee no.
We don't want to discuss it on social media.
Okay. Fair enough.
We indulge your listeners, no viewers. We just don't want to discuss it.
Fair enough. Eti constantly omudi omako court nyina no obi enya judgment and I say judgment aba.
Oh sir, you and I would believe sir compound case no it was two different things suspect. One pleaded guilty, one pleaded not guilty.
Yes.
The one who pleaded guilty was sentenced.
Yes.
The other one is still before court. We are hoping we get a fast trial so that the court will heal itself too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mr. Watson, you better answer me one last question. How kakra, but indulge us. Reverend Obofour, any Mami Agrada, enya kasa with social media kakra.
Yeah.
Obviously, no, Obia can say man, Obia can do beka.
Yeah.
But in the end, you know, Mami Agrada beka say Reverend Obofour a report on say we didn't attend social media. No be going to be thinking beka say. I say with the social media akasa. Why does one person effort report to the other?
Okay, that is why we needed to come out and clarify some issues. Let's say you can report and say you did at her moon. She sat on her TV. You come nipa. You know nipa moja. You really panam. Ashad, Constitution of this country does not permit say we bet me movie.
Debbie.
We bet marry nipa nam.
Debbie.
We bet marry nipa moja.
Debbie.
It is our car. He who alleges must prove. So basically, we went to the police because of Asamo Kai. Excuse my language, where Jimmy we are boy, we need answer in your court. Yes, sir, we saw we couldn't nipa.
Is it a murder case that was reported to the police?
Yes, it was the murdering aspect of her allegations, you know. Any other call police, the police and more any because you name Moshe. Or be let's presume say say you and person appointed to as an ambassador.
Yeah.
Oh, covet him. Yes, so the year 2021, Obi can say far. The year 2019, Obi can say far. Then I work after one. After I work, I say, and I'm a fan of social media battle. Yes. You know, yeah, I'll urge the upcoming journalists, non-person practicing journalism, must say, they have to understand the meaning of journalism and what is suitable for their viewers. And yes, because open viewership, no YouTube, no Facebook, you go on and say any other thing. That is not how it is run. Oh yes, sir, Rashad, you end up where somebody is today.
It's true. It's true.
When your freedom is, your friends are captured, that then you would understand. Say why you mistake.
Why you mistake?
Yes.
Debbie.
Oh, can someone won't deny evidence at the home? Rashad Pacho, yes, say only Mr. Watson Kasa and Pacho and Nuni.
You better say about when you're M𝑣rdér. Am I? And I will last words. Edema Ghana for Muti.
Yeah, there will be most especially APC4. Reverend Obofour followers on more YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, worldwide. I mean, we can't thank you enough. Do you get it? Because you people have stood by us. Wow. And we promise everybody, say, these issues now are already against us. You know, it will come to its logical conclusion. I said, we just are now breaking down more logical conclusion, which is no cre to do what same way, no, and it be Pia Babu. You're ready to say, best so for Sunday. Oh, someone who him there. And you have seen other cars, some other could have a cancer. Oh, Pacho, no, we now kind. That is not how we run the country. That is not how we would want the upcoming generation should pick this up. Where will we go as a country if we want to leave this standard? If we want to trend on this line? Asha, then no be a kumobi and no be a Winipanam. We are bringing sanity to the work.
Obiazu be Winipanam. Obiazu be kumobi.
Obi say, Ena, mene, yakotina say, Ekayanka, Medekwa Jiska. O de kwa usika no. Asem na ukana utiashe. Asha, asem na okano na untiashe. Ena ukoka. Just because of sika. They say ya masika di yanim kayama yanim dia so yeja ofie. Then the repagana for chop. O ka asemo a woso nyina so.
Mr. Watson, you better say when you break any GHPAGE atwetwe nkomo. Sasa fufuru bi abaso a yebeba anchire mu.
At any day, any time, our doors are open for you.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir. Enjoy your day.
You too, sir. Abuja nkomo twetwe no eno na ye de abawie no ya kehye mo say in same way no ye be go details ye be kwakoji all the details of this conversation because we say it seems say obi e Canada we be Canada we say at the point you need to go to the grounds na onipa onima semni mu no okoji nchechemu yeah Mr. Kwakubuati under the personal right hand man of Obofour utu no wati one the personal aid oni na bibia we ni bibia ma no it is yes say wakunya boaso wata enyine chinye on na achirim say enetie abuta for high GHPAGE so one subscribe wadwen nche so no ekwan wo se wadwen nche no beba we need Rashad abuta for yakram